It works like a kind of deodorant, but for friction, not smell or antiperspirant. You just twist it up and swipe it onto the area where your skin tends to rub, like inner thighs, underarms, feet, or even spots where black back straps or clothing seams can irritate your skin. It creates a dry, invisible barrier that helps stop chafing before it starts, which is especially helpful if you're running, hiking, working out, or just walking around in hot weather. Now, sorry, my sticks here are very old. The labeling is now completely different. I've had these in storage for years after an injury. When I used to do long distance running, I would use tons of this stuff primarily to prevent not only rashes, but literal cuts into my skin from the long term continual back and forth movement of my sports bra into my chest area and under my arms. Now, I don't run anymore, but I do find this product is now and again great for things like chub rub, that inner thigh drama many of us suffer from. And I also use it to prevent blisters when I have new shoes. Mine no longer smell great, I admit, but unless they've changed the formula, I don't recall it ever smelling good to begin with. It still works fine, and I don't see any expiry date, so I'm going to use these. This formula doesn't feel greasy or messy, but instead feels waxy. It goes on smooth, dries quickly, and stays pretty lightweight, so your skin can still breathe. It's also sweat and water resistant, so it holds up during workouts or humid days without feeling sticky. The ingredient list is pretty simple too. It's made with plant-derived ingredients and things like allantoin, if I'm pronouncing that right, and vitamin E to help skin feel comfortable. It's free from petroleum, parabens, and phthalates, and it's also vegan and cruelty-free. I guess if there's anything negative to say, aside from the smell, I'd say you probably have to reapply this if you sweat a lot. On long-distance runs, I used to carry this along with me to reapply. But overall, it does what it says it's supposed to do very well, and I definitely recommend.